Consider the square root of 142. In part A, we want to determine whether it is rational or irrational. Remember that rational numbers can be written as fractions. Irrational numbers aren't so nice. They cannot be written as fractions of integer valued numbers. Now, the square root of 142, we would say then, is irrational because 142 is not a perfect square. So in taking the square root of that, we wouldn't be able to write that result as a fraction of integers. In part B, we want to find a decimal approximation to the nearest thousandth for the square root of 142. Now, if you use your calculator, let's go ahead and carry this approximation one decimal place past the thousandth place to 11.9163. We want to inspect this this value to the right of the thousandths place so we'll know how to round. Since that is smaller than a 5, we're going to round things off here as 11.916. That makes sense because the square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 142 is just a little bit smaller than that. So to the nearest thousandth, we would say that's 11.916.